Ladies and gentlemen, there was a second rocket attack in Bishnupur district of Manipur today. Suspected insurgents launched a rocket attack, and this was this morning, damaging two structures. The rocket attack, in fact, targeted a community hall and landed, thankfully, in an empty room. Meanwhile, Republic is on ground zero, getting you all the latest details. Watch this report filed by my colleague Anirudh Bhakat.
When the ethnic violence in Manipur started way back in May 3rd, 2023, at first bullets were used, then came the pumpy bombs, then came rocket launches of a small size, then drones were used, and now heavy rockets weighing more than 25 kilograms and with a length of more than 7 to 8 feet are being fired upon from a distance of around at least 6 kilometers. 6 kilometers away is the total areas that you can see on your screen, and the rocket which has been fired upon Turunglavi today has been fired from a distance of around 6 kilometers. A short range missile has been fired, and this missile, which was indigenously made by the militants themselves with locally available resources, had made an impact crater as such that you can see the devastation that this rocket or missile, whatever you say, weighing around 20 to 25 kilograms and with a length of more than 7 feet or 8 feet, have created. A sense of insecurity exists among the people as these fresh attacks have escalated the situation once again. We have the owner of the residence here whose house has been damaged. आपका घर में ये रॉकेट कितने बजे
सर मेरे घर में रॉकेट है 4 बजे के 40 मिनट पर जो गिर के यहाँ फटा था।
आप लोग घर के अंदर ही थे तभी?
मैं इससे पहले मैं 4 बजे उठा था, 4:30 बजे लगभग मैं टॉयलेट करने गया था। उस टाइम में प्रेशर बने नहीं था। फिर मैं घर में अंदर आके थोड़ी देर बैठा था प्रेशर आने के बाद दोबारा जाने के लिए। तब तक वहाँ से टॉयलेट से मैं बाहर आके घर के अंदर बैठा ही था, तब तक ये ब्लास्ट हो गया था।
फायरिंग भी हुआ था क्या सुबह में?
फायरिंग कम से कम 10-12 राउंड तो उधर जो पीछे साइड से आवाज़ सुनाई दिया था। हमारे साइड से फायर हुआ है क्या उनकी साइड से फायर किया वो तो मेरे को पता नहीं था। मैं घर के अंदर ही यहाँ ब्लास्ट हुआ था, इसकी वजह से मैं थोड़ा डर थोड़ा घबरा गया था। फिर मैं बच्चे लोग सो रहा था, बच्चे लोग को मैं उठाया था, भाई उठो घर के अंदर फायर अपना बम ब्लास्ट हो गया था। तब मैं बाहर आके देखा तो यहाँ घर के अंदर आसपास पूरा धुआं ही धुआं टाइप पूरा अंधेरे से छा गया था।
इतना बड़ा रॉकेट पहले भी फायर किया है क्या ऐसा?
पहले हमारे साइड में तो नहीं था। यहाँ से 15-20 दिन पहले मोरंग साइड में सेम इसी साइज का, इससे थोड़ा बड़े साइज का एक फायर उन्होंने फायर हुआ था, खेत में गिरा था लेकिन ब्लास्ट नहीं हुआ था।
Republic TV is now at Turunglavi area of Moirang in Bishnupur district, and this is the area where rockets were launched yesterday, today morning at around 4:30 in the morning. And if we give you a view of the rocket that was fired, you can see this is a more than 7 feet long rocket. This is a handmade rocket designed indigenously by the militants, and they fired upon this rocket towards the highway, and it struck this particular residence, and a shed and the bathroom which was adjacent to the house has been completely damaged because of the impact. You can see this is for the first time ever that such a huge rocket has been fired. Earlier also the suspected Kuki militants had been firing several rockets, and in fact bombs were also dropped with the help of drones, but the use of rockets with a dimension like this, that is which is more than 7 to 8 feet long, this kind of rockets have been fired upon civilian areas for the first time by the militants, and this shows the concern, the security concern that exists in this area. The impact area, you can see it is a huge impact area. If this rocket would have struck the residence, it would have completely shattered, inflicting casualty, might be deaths were also supposed to be reported if it would have hit this particular house, but luckily it didn't hit the house directly, and the impact was bared by the bathroom which was close to the residence, and the impact crater, you can see the rocket hit this particular area, and one of the propeller, it went towards that particular community hall adjacent, and you can see the devastation. Everything that came on the way has been completely shattered, and as the rocket went after making the landing, the head of the rocket went direct towards the community hall, which is closely located to the residence. We are going to show you the visual. There are people around right now here, and police have also arrived at the scene. They are investigating the kind of explosive that were used, and the damage that has been caused in this area is being assessed. And you can see the propeller, the head of the rocket, it is here. This one you can see, they have also put numbering. This is the place where it came and made the hole. You can see the wires that are dangling out, and more than 20 kg of chemicals, explosive, etc. were used. There are several splinters. You can see these are splinters. This was a handmade rocket, and the splinters are also handmade. You can see out here available, which they have access to. Several kinds of rods and elements were used. The impact, you can see, had this rocket strike a populated area, it would have created a devastation. The security concerns runs high in Moirang right now, as fresh attacks have been reported from the foodal areas, and they had used elevated platforms to fire the rockets. If we can show you the splinters, you can see splinters have made landing up to as far as more than 10 meters or 20-30 feet distance. You can see this one splinter out here, and here is another wire of the rocket. Several explosives weighing several kilograms were used, and if we can show you the foodal areas, this is the foodal area, and it is being suspected that somewhere from this hillside they have made elevated platforms from where they fired this huge rocket towards Toronglavi. Luckily there was no movement of security forces at that point in time, otherwise the damage would have been much bigger than what we are witnessing now. Reporting from Moirang with video journalist Ashok, I am Anuruddha Bhagat for Republic Media Network.